And according to the Israel Defense Forces, this particular bunker became the target of one of the most intense Israeli air operations in recent years. Well, the Israeli military released dramatic footage claiming that about 50 fighter jets from the Israeli Air Force took part in the coordinated strike aimed at destroying the underground facility. Well, the attack, they say, was carefully planned to penetrate one of the most secure compounds in the Iranian capital. Now, ladies and gentlemen, here's the important part. This was not just a random airstrike. Well, military analysts say that the underground bunkers like these, they are designed to specifically survive conventional bombing. Well, they are usually built dozens of meters below the ground, protected by thick layer of concrete and rock, and often connected to hidden tunnels for escape route. Many countries build such bunkers to protect their top leadership during war like these. So, how did you hit a target like that? Well, air forces typically rely on bunker buster bombs, specialized weapons that can drill deep into the ground before exploding. While these bombs are built with hardened steel castings and delayed detonators as they explode after penetrating underground structure. In fact, according to Israeli defense sources, the jet targeted what they described as a leadership command center located beneath Iran's ruling compound in Tehran. The strike reportedly involved multiple waves of aircraft to ensure that bunker structure collapsed completely. And now, finally, the Israeli Defense Forces have shared the infrared footage of the strike online, showing large explosion ripping through the area and massive shockwaves spreading across the complex. But wait, here's where the story becomes even bigger. The death of Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, it represents one of the most dramatic leadership losses in modern Middle East politics. The reported death of Ali Khamenei, it would represent one of the most dramatic leadership losses in the modern politics. Khamenei had been Iran's supreme leader since 1989, making him the most powerful political and religious authority in the country for more than 3 decades. Now, in Iran's political system, the supreme leader is not just a symbolic figure. He controls the armed forces, oversees the key state institution, and has the final say on national security decisions. That means that any attack targeting such a leader, it's not just a military strike, it shakes the entire power struggle of the country. And this is why the video released by Israel Defense Forces has kind of sparked intense global debate. Some analysts say that the strike demonstrates Israel's deep intelligence reach inside Iran. But others warn that an attack on such a high-level figure could dramatically escalate the already dangerous conflict in the Middle East. Well, for now, many details remain disputed. Independent verification of the strike and the exact circumstances surrounding the bunker buster attack, it is still to be examined. But one thing is absolutely clear: what happened beneath the streets of Tehran, they were not an ordinary airstrike. It was a precision operation aimed at the very center of Iran's leadership, deep underground, heavily guarded, and once believed to be untouchable.